Hello, my name is Derrick Baker, Recreation Supervisor for the City of Inglewood. And today I'm going to teach you how to do BBQ Chicken Pizza Tacos. First, you're going to need 2 chicken breasts. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You need a 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce, 1 cup of shredded cheese blended, half red onion cut, tablespoon of cilantro, and half cup of bacon, already cooked. So let's get started. First, gonna add our salt to our chicken breast. Next, our paprika. Next will be our pepper. Next, our garlic powder. And put our barbecue sauce. And last, 1/4 cup of honey. So you're gonna put this all in together. And now gonna mix it up. Get it all nice and prepped. Mix it up. Make sure to coat all the chicken very well. Once you got a good, nice coat on all your chicken, get a nice little mix with your chicken. Once you got it nice and covered, it's time to put it on the stove. You're gonna cook for 10 minutes, tablespoon of oil until the chicken is nice and brown. We already have some available right now. Now let's prepare our tortillas, okay? First, we're gonna put our cheese. Get a nice little spread on the cheese. And you're gonna have your tortillas overlap just a little bit. Just like that, good. We're gonna add some onion. Just a little bit of onion on each one, nice and spread out. Nice and spread out the onion. And you can put as much onion if you like, little or a lot, it's up to you, whatever you're liking. I like onion, so I'm putting quite a bit on mine. Next, gonna put our bacon pieces. And your bacon is nice and crisp, pre-cooked. Again, I like bacon too. All right, now let's put our chicken. And again, you can put as much chicken as you want on each. Make sure you're covering. And then lastly, why don't we try putting on a little bit of cilantro? Finish it with some cilantro. A little bit of cilantro on each one. How about that? Now, we've already preheated our oven. We've already preheated our oven to 350, as we'll be preparing to cook this for about 10 minutes or until the cheese melts. And we're all ready to go. So let's go put this in the oven. Okay, and we're back. Here's the finished product. Barbecue chicken pizza tacos, something you can do real quick, very tasty, nice, great little snack. Thank you for watching this video. Again, I'm Derrick from the City of Inglewood. Check us out on our social media pages and look out for more of our videos.